Stop losing easy marks by repeating the business name. I am the head coach at YastoG Academy, and here is how to fix it.
Okay, let's talk about one of the biggest and, honestly, one of the easiest mistakes to fix in your Edexcel Business exam. You have got to stop losing easy marks just by repeating the business name from the case study in your answer. It's such a common trap. And I'm not exaggerating here. This is the #1 mistake that costs students valuable application marks year after year. The examiners actually have a name for this. They call it nominal application. It's their insider term for when you just state the business's name instead of using the actual context from the case study. And what's the penalty for doing this? It's pretty harsh. You get 0 application marks. That's right. All that potential credit just vanishes simply for naming the company. So let's get this crystal clear. The wrong way is thinking application is just the business name. The right way, the way that actually gets you marks, is using the context. So instead of just writing something like FitFuel Foods, you need to be digging into that case study for the specific little details that make your answer relevant. This is what good application actually looks like. You should be writing things like a Brighton-based healthy meal delivery firm, or a business investing £500,000 in automated machinery. See, that shows the examiner you get the scenario. So let's lock this in. Just repeating the name, you're only describing. But using the context, now you're applying. And that is the key to unlocking those AO2 marks. If you want to master more simple, powerful, examiner-approved techniques just like this one, make sure you follow YastoG Academy. It's time to stop leaving those easy marks on the table.
And that's how you bag the marks. Follow YastoG Academy for more examiner secrets.